Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to make better CapCut edits. Beginner's Guide. To make better CapCut edits, follow these steps. Install and open CapCut. Download the CapCut from the Google Play Store, install it, and open the app by tapping Open. Create a new project. Tap the New Project button and choose the videos or photos you want to edit from your gallery, then hit Add. Trim and arrange clips. Now tap on the video in a timeline to choose it. Use the Split and Delete tools to trim unnecessary parts of your clips. Drag and arrange them in a timeline in the correct order. Add background music or audio. Tap on Audio, then choose from your device's library or CapCut's music collection if you preferred. Use smooth transitions. Tap the white box between clips on the timeline and choose Transitions. Pick transitions like Fade, Slide, or Zoom for seamless scene changes. Add filters. Go to the Filters menu and apply filters that match your video's mood, for example, cinematic, retro, or vibrant. Tap on your chosen filter, then adjust the intensity if needed. Apply video effects. Tap the Effects, Video Effects, then choose visual effects like glitch, blur, or sparkle to enhance your video creatively. Use keyframes. Choose a clip, then tap on keyframes, then move the white lines to where you want the zoom to end. Then pinch out the video screen to add precise animations like zooming in or panning across the screen. Adjust speed. Now, highlight one of your chosen clip, then tap on Speed to add slow motion or time-lapse effects. Use the curve speed option for smoother transitions. Add text and titles. Tap on Text, then choose Add Text to include captions like titles or subtitles. Customize the font, size, color, and animations. Preview and tweak. Play the video from the start to finish to spot any errors or areas for improvement. Make final adjustments to transitions, timing, or effects. Export your video. Once satisfied, tap Export button in the top right corner. Choose your resolution and frame rate. Then save the video to your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.